Here's Bella winning her first race of her life. Way to go!
What did I get this time?
You got first.
Yay!
That's your first of your life. Dorothy, our exchange student from St. Petersburg Yacht Club. Here comes Logan in 95, another exchange student from St. Petersburg Yacht Club. So we'll send Tommy Rudowitz and Sean Campbell to St. Pete Yacht Club in February for the Valentine's Day Optimus Regatta. This exchange has been going on for 20-something years, 26 years. Both Kate and Ava from St. Pete Yacht Club. Okay, this is an A-Fleet start. We got Dorothy up there, 8378, over early right now, but the tide is against him. You can see him moving, drifting backwards. They're bucking the current right now. This boat's gonna have a hard time making it right here. Yep. Just like we thought, in a bucking current, you're not going to be able to make that. Okay, here comes the B fleet. You see the difference between the A's and the B's is that the B's don't compensate for the current, so they're way below the line. Whereas the A's get up there and drift backwards with the current, the B's are way back. They should be okay. 10052 should be going high and slow right now to get away from the boats to leeward. Great start by 10298. See, he just kept, and 9360, they both kept their bows up instead of reaching off in the last 20 seconds. They stayed up and then they accelerated. Okay, this boat's a little over trimmed on the main. Big wrinkles like that, probably closed off on the leech a little too much. This guy's leech telltale's flying all the time, so he's probably a little too loose on his main sheet. That boat is perfect. 9883 is doing both. It stalls, then it flows. Tommy, nice work. 9046, big hole to leeward. Now he's reaching a little too much. He should go high and slow right now into the current. There he goes. High and slow, Tom. So he dropped down just a little too far into 7604. Oh, okay. So 10250 did a great job of keeping their bow up in the last 30 seconds. 10275 could have been a little closer to them. Everybody looks like pretty darn good trim in this fleet. Great recovery, Tom. Tommy's in a very tight lane right there, and he's actually moving forward on the boats to windward. Nice. Very good. Amazing sport to develop patience. I mean, he just held his lane on 7604 beautifully. Oh, great communication. He just told the kid ahead of him, tack and I'll duck you. So now he just opened up his own lane. That was beautiful. For an 11-year-old, that's advanced tactics right there.